Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Vishnu Manjupudi, and I'm glad that you are here. Today, we'll be solving problem number 13, Roman to integer. The problem reads, Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols, I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. So here we have I is value 1, V is value 5, X is value 10, so on. So for example, 2 is written as II, and 12 is written as xii since x is 10 and ii is 2, so you add them. 27 is written as xxvii, similar. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. For example, for 4, it's not III, it's written as IV. Because the 1's before the 5, we subtract it, and instead of getting a 6, we get a 4. Similarly, IX is 9, not 11. So we have all these constraints. So before we do this, we notice that there's a list of values. So we create a method that takes in characters, since we'll probably use char, and we want to return an integer val. So letter val, and now we have char c. So now we have if c. Now in ASCII, I is equal to, let's just open up an ASCII table. Okay, so we have ASCII table. So I is equal to 73. So we can have if C equals 73, return 1. And then we can just copy this, except now instead of I we have V. V is 86. So we use 86 instead. Now third one, X. X is 88. So we use 88. Next is L. Now L is 3 after I. So this one would be 76 because I, J, K, L. Yeah. And then now here we have C. C is equal to 67. 67 here. And now we have D. D is equal to 68. Now we have M. We don't need anything else. So here we return 1000. Here we return 500. Here we return 100. Here we return 50. Here we return 10. Here we return 5. And here we return. So now we have this method for figuring out the value of a letter. So now let's do Roman to int. So for int I equals 0 less than s.length I plus plus. Now beforehand, we have to note there's a special case, right? Which only happens if the value of a letter previously is greater than and less than the current letter value. So we can create a boolean prev. Wait, let's just create an int. Int prev val equals s.char at 0. Actually, we need letter val. Now we have to have an int total, right? So int num plus equals prev val. Okay, so here we just have equals. So now we have 1, right? Okay, so if s.char at I, now we have letter val is less than and greater than prev val. And now what do we do here? Like when we have IV, we first register it as a 1, right? But then if we have a V after that, you add 5 and subtract 2 times 1. So here we can just use num minus equals 2 times prev val. And here we always have prev val equals this except I, and then we have num plus equals prev val. And now here we just return num. So that was quick. Let's check. Okay, so here for characters we actually use double equal signs. I don't know what I was doing. Because we're converting these characters into integers, we need double equal signs. So, accepted. We got it. IV. IV works. Now let's try like a very complicated input like this one right here. Let's see if our code works. Lo and behold, it works, so now we submit. Runtime 3 milliseconds faster than 100% of submissions. Memory usage 39.4 megabytes, less than 89.57% of submissions. So that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. It really means a lot. Once again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as well as click the bell icon. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or any other recommendations, please comment down below. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and this is Vishnu Majipudi signing off. Bye, everyone.